Most of you probably have clothes that you don't need or wear, or you just don't know the essential pieces that you need in your wardrobe. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact wardrobe essentials you need in order for you to build outfits, starting from your shoes to your pants to your tops. When building an outfit, you always have to start with your shoes, as the shoes are the foundation of your outfit, as they can either make or break an outfit. Now, you only need 3 shoes. The first shoe is a leather white sneaker. A leather white sneaker is a must-have for guys because it can be dressed down or dressed up depending on the occasion. And for a leather white sneaker, you can go for your plain white sneaker, your New Balances, your Air Force One, and there are plenty of great varieties out there. The second shoe you need is a boot. Now, a boot is a must-have for guys because it just makes you elevate your style and stand out compared to other guys who are just wearing sneakers. Now, I don't know, but there's just something about boots which just makes me love them. Now, for your boots, you can go for either a brown boot or a black boot. That's up to you. The third shoe that every guy needs is a dress shoe. Every guy needs a dress shoe for formal or semi-formal activities because there comes a time in your life where you need to be dressed up and you have to be ready. So for this, you can either go for a black or brown loafer or a black or brown dress shoe. Moving on to pants, every guy needs a pair of jeans. Now, jeans are good for your casual outfits and your day-to-day wear. So get yourself a pair of at least one good jean, not one that's skinny and not one that's too baggy. You want one that just fits right. Secondly, you need a pair of chinos. Chinos are good because you can dress them up or you can dress them down depending on what you're going for, and they elevate your style. Thirdly, every guy needs a pair of dress pants similar to your dress shoes because there'll come a point where you have to be dressed up, and when that time comes, you can either wear your navy, your grey, or your black pants. Hi, my name is Anderson Himambo and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, what tops do you need? Firstly, every guy needs a black and a white tee because these are your basic foundation and they can be worn with almost any outfit. So get yourself a black and white tee because these are solid colors. Second, your knit or sweaters. Now, for this you can go with whichever choice that you want, such as your crew neck sweaters, your quarter zip, or your turtleneck. The choice is yours. The third top that you need is a button down. Now, button down is a must-have because it is a staple and is more formal and dressier for those occasions that require you to be dressed up. Number 4, you need at least one outerwear. For your outerwear, you can go for either a denim jacket, a leather jacket, a bomber, or a puffer jacket, as this is a statement piece. And lastly, we have your accessory. Accessory is like icing on a cake and your outfit just looks plain without it. Now, the most basic accessory that you need is a watch and a belt. A watch, you only need a classy leather band or a stainless steel bracelet, as these pieces are timeless. And for your belt, which of course you need to keep your pants in place, and if you're dressed formally, is either a brown or a black belt. And always remember to match the color of your belt to the color of your shoes.